Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book. Just a quick reminder that if you would like to solve these along with me, the book is available for purchase in the link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. All right, looks like today we're doing number 209. If we start, where shall we start today? Let's do this column. Looks like we're missing a 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here covering both of these boxes, so 3, 6, 3, 6. And that means our 5 has to be here. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 and 3 here, so this is our 1. A 9 here, so 3, 9. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this row now, looks like we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 4 here, so this is our 3. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing a 6 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box, we're missing a 3 and a 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column now, looks like we're missing a 1 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row now, we're missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 3. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, looks like we're missing a 5 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box, looks like we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column now, looks like we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, looks like we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. To finish out this column, looks like we're missing a 1. And for this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 7 and 6. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.